But I don't want to call Jamaica police.
Nothing to discuss, cause I take by fault and without
To the beach. Say good morning.
Bro, what are you doing?
Good afternoon.
What time will it be?
It's like
What's up, gang?
it's 1:15 and we're just now leaving out to go to the beach, guys.
So,
But, so we're on our way to Ochino. Sit down. I don't know why the camera looks so nice, like, views. Police, he gonna get pussy.
You know, say nothing that this blood clot, yeah. You know nothing that me.
But why not tomorrow?
When me go through with them down, yeah. That's why my face is over with them now. Yeah, you man attack me on a Nellis. In a bush. And give me seatbelt ticket. I never see that yet. Run a Nellis in a bush and give me seatbelt ticket. Yeah.
Guys, we got pulled over by the police a couple days ago, and B was like, I know the police, he gave him his American license, obviously, and then the police officer was like, how long have you been driving on this license? And then B was like, ever since he got it. Which was like, it was like a stupid question, because like, you can't drive without a license. So yeah. Yes, I'm a toll driver. Yeah. No, I didn't drive Prospect from Nellis. That's the furthest I've drove.
So Felix, I got dance later.
Guys, me tell myself that next trip, me have to go like do road. Cause I have like younger cousins who come out here and they drive, and I'm like,
Full of later.
you have to do better. I have to do better. So yeah. B, next trip, may I go drive here?
You want to drive come back?
No, I gotta drive a car. You know I don't like driving big vehicles. B, say hi to the vlog.
Oh dear.
Are you enjoying your trip so far?
No.
You're not telling how you mashed my party last night.
But I enjoy my trip because I get enough food.
Enough food? What more food do you want? Oh, speaking of Christmas, guys, yesterday was Christmas, but I did not vlog because I spent my Christmas in the kitchen. Everybody did plans to say, oh, let's do a big Christmas dinner or whatever. We had hired a chef, or asked a chef to cook for us, but then I guess he got a party the night before, and then my show up, I must be sick cold, so he canceled on us. So then we all had to like chip in and cook different pot. I was in charge of the fried chicken, and I don't know, I was just hot and tormented in our kitchen, so. Oh yeah, where's it, Blackhead? Oh God, what I got look Blackhead? Jesus God. Right, you know, guys, this is she's put on weight. Well,
can't follow this bomb boy over here. I'm alone, you know.
If I'm wearing makeup, so my face is naturally smooth.
How much take me about
that? Natural beauty. Yes. You can't go with up your nice hairstyle, though, you know?
No, me have one on it.
Oh, alright. But you don't say me have black hair in number back. At all.
Look your back here. Let me see my back. You're not going on this one. No, I'm going here. Go maybe see.
Here, yeah?
They're not going.
I first never go over
So
this
fella,
villa,
a
so-
beach I go our party.
I go over in like
Yeah.
90
Oh yeah, nah.
100.
Big earring and necklace and stuff.
Because me head never come this morning when me I got here just at the time this chilly so me always cool. So me put on the tall sleeve dress and just keep the earring to put my face and the ear never cool.
Listen,
And by the time I reach home, you call me so me pack me bag, me never bother change no clothes.
You don't say you look nice for the video? You don't say you look nice?
What you say?
What?
I'm very pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna have on nails. Everybody have on nails. I know. She have on nails, no hairstyle. Me have on hairstyle.
So wait, fella, how are this? How are this? How are this?
It's a good.
How are this?
We're not born with fingernails. We're not born with fingernails.
Yes.
So up to the one that they don't grow.
Nothing wrong with this.
So up to the one that we're on the bar with, they don't
Nothing
grow.
wrong with me. I want to be bad in the apple. But I don't want to be bad with my fingernail. Then grow after.
We got to know where they take me fingernail. We don't have to put them all in the food and give people.
Police again! Hey, police!
Halfway.
Try. And I'm vlogging everything.
Yo, put on the camera.
Put on camera for what?
Just them little kids there.
David, we was just talking about police today and then boom, and get pulled over again.
I'm up on the big poor.
Reggie, just stay calm, guys. Stay calm. Stay calm.
I'm not.
If police
And money
Hey! Stay calm.
Everybody knows the Jamaica police are every.
Jamaican police are the best.
They're the best.
Best in history. Say you want criminal or you want.
Oh, that's a slogan. You want criminal, you want teeth? Cause Jamaican police.
So what is the garbage bag?
Yeah, I guess it's garbage. Yeah, I look at
So what
garbage.
is this there? So no, it's garbage bag there. Right? So what's this? You have a bathroom?
Yeah.
And I have
So why your name put down?
because it will come my house as we reach in the house, you can't be there.
No way, I'm afraid of. No, but I look and see. Oh, I'm going.
They can't give me a ticket. They just say don't take a lunch.
Damn it, we can. Oh, yes. So,
Hey, yo!
Can't zoom now.
can I push it through there?
See they come clear.
You buying juice, V? You buying juice?
Hey, me just give me, me not enough to give me, but me just give me. Yeah, cause I'm a deal, you know, deal me now we still.
No.
Cause me not deal me now, my room and blow up. But you not deal me good, me just. But me go out them here and them out there easy, man, I say, yo, you're not afraid of the police. Me say, for what?
Nobody's scared of Jamaica police.
Rate them, man.
Nobody's scared of Jamaica.
Rate them, me
You know what I'm saying?
me can't want more money, me not give them my money. Yeah.
So you always have cuss Jamaican police. I know you talking
No,
about
because
whatever.
they want to now beg you.
Yeah, some of them will eat
The man are dealing good, the man say, yo, be careful, look, if any man hold you. You see me, they must say, be careful. But, me not have to give them, if you just give them a thousands to me,
Yeah, yes, I'm going to give them, you know.
Those now, them broke my own man.
No, they don't want it. It doesn't have to come from
you don't get money and say no bank with my.
You never ask for no money. You never deal with it. Good.
The man are dealing good, so me just give me say, yo, buy one drinks, you know. Me say, me not have enough food money for them. Yeah, me just tell the man, say, yo, me not have enough food money for you, no, uncle. Because I see, I don't know what me I go, I get the money in the bank when I go up there. You see me, me not have no food money for you, but buy, use this buy one box drink.
Big, you see like the first instance when you tell him, when man asks him, boy, like, so like, I drive with this.
can't find more blackhead again. That's good.
Because it didn't come up, man.
And then
I granny back you want to see.
Yeah, man.
So where you sitting now?
That's how we give man him the drinks, man. You know me and the man say, yo, you're good, man. That I first thing the man say, the man say, you're good, man. But
one of them, all they know say they wrong is wrong.
the thing the man said to me, you're good, man.
Slow down some more.
All the day now, just be careful. That's all the man said to me. See me?
Oh, damn.
And the man say, I whole family have with you, you know.
So he can't come out?
No. Cut out all the posts, he said.
I put it where?
What's wrong with extra work, you know? Thank you, when you can some guy, Baba, you know, make you shave your mustache. You don't know it's a young with mustache.
I know mustache, I lick roll in there, I'm sitting there. It like lick roll.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell him if it stop, it don't look good. It look like our crackhead.
Actually, lick roll, make it eat.
Yeah.
I know some have that.
You sure?
Yeah.
So
All around, no, not that dark. No, he didn't have that. She said, "Very nice." So he's in there. I licked in liquor and I said, "No."
I'm big fan. Actually, I need a brand make me feel big. You know, last night, the boy, I just feel like it's on rum and get down.
Customer, sir.
Yes. You can't be putting them last night and go to the room. I mean, that was.
The Rocky, the Imam my daddy no go sit there.
I mean, I do it for him.
Imam my daddy got party last night, you know.
Pass the camera. This can't talk back camera. I mean, I able to feel queen them.
Wait, you can or you can't talk.
No, we can't talk for it.
We reach. Goody, I changed. Look how much she put on our bathsuit. Everybody getting ready. I gotta hold your hand. Say hi. Say hi to the video. Ratted. Come. Oh, tight way, Maya.
Pigeon won't be so let's bang.
So real San Anton. The $1,500 pot over there, so I guess it's full up, so we have to go over here to a different side, a beach, I guess, and pay $7 bills, I think. So yeah. And a barbecue. And if you go back. They would have to get it right when it's happy. I gotta come back beach and we're getting our KFC, eating it. I'm the first time I eat KFC from my home, so I'm excited. Everybody I eat now.
Yo, what's good,
We
gang?
can't eat some of the baby.
Oh.
Hello.
They mash up bad. I hope the body don't do it. Fuck. Guys, me I come from party. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning now. I'm tired. I came out at 2:30 a.m. or whatever. If my face is all sweated off, don't mind that. I was dancing a little bit. Look about it nice. I just wish Phil did come, because you know, say me and I would have gone bubble up and, you know, go on with beer things. And I have to dance more conservative now. You know, I can't dash out and skin out like one time because I'm a married woman. You know them, we are them? Yeah. And I can't embarrass B. So I have to keep it very cutesy and demure. You know them, we are them? B, you enjoy the party? The party did nice. Guys, so now we're walking home. It's literally like 2 minutes away. It is a nice square. B, stop me, y'all gonna make me drop. It was
Where go be?
Base, oh, you pronounce it Base Odyssey. I didn't do that place.
B.
So yeah.
We are going
No,
to
no.
there.
No, don't get so.
You see?
What?
House there, B.
Down there.
Yeah, I'm gonna see.
Yo, guys, he drunk. He kept freaking grabbing up on me and whining. We know when someone are drunk in the cars. Stop, someone. Oh, you just exposing me, dude. Anyway, Samora, stop. Guys, look at him. Like he's like trying to lift up my skirt. Guys, I know when someone are drunk. He kept throwing his drink over me, like touching my feet and stuff.
Touching what?
Every minute, and just I come upon me and just I whine like so. He come in front of me like this and just gussle. I saw someone standing there when he drunk or feeling himself. And he just say he have plans for today. And sitting there and look there like we are coming 6 o'clock. By the time we take off my makeup and drop asleep. What time we are going to wake up to do what we have to do? And call it say this is our last day to do stuff. It's Saturday. We leave Monday morning. The funeral is Sunday. Someone stop people walking behind me and y'all the skirt. Sure. What mean so? So today is the day where I feel like I have to buy the local stuff them that I want to bring up or that I need and stuff. And tonight is the setup. So we have a long day, I should say. So yeah, man, I'm going now. We'll have to a nap. So I'll see you guys later. Say morning, B.
We never tell our friend. Look back to it. I want to look at that.